So our topic is all about operation and algebraic expression. So let us focus on multiplying and dividing binomials and multinomials. Okay, so our topic is divided into 3. So today, magpo-focus muna tayo multiplying binomials and other polynomials by a monomials. Okay, so in multiplying binomials or monomial to binomial, monomial to trinomial, and monomial to multinomial, okay, same procedure siya, anak. In multiplying simple monomial to monomial. Okay, this time, mag-a-apply lang tayo ng distributive property. Oh, by the way, what is the meaning of monomial? Yes, Garcia. Okay, a polynomial consists of one term. And when we say binomial, how many terms do we have? 2 terms. Kapag 3 terms? Kapag more than 3? Okay, remember, take note that kapag more than 1 term, multinomial na siya. Meaning, binomial and trinomial is types siya ng multinomials. Okay, so how to multiply monomial to binomial? Okay, I will give an example first. Okay, we're going to multiply 3x and 4x plus 4. Okay, step 1, we need to distribute the monomial to the given polynomials. Okay, how to distribute? We're going to apply the distributive property. Okay, so how many terms do we have? 2 terms. So, this is an example of, so meaning, i-distribute daw natin, anak, ang ating monomial dito sa ating binomial. First, distribute the given monomial to the first term of the given binomial. Ito po yun. Distribute natin siya. Okay, this will become 3x multiplied by x. That is the first step. Okay, second, after natin ma-distribute sa first term, proceed naman tayo kay second term. So, this will become 3x times 4. Do you understand? Yes. Then after that, simplify na. Simplify. Get the product. Okay, how to get the product? Step 1, multiply first the numerical coefficient. What is the numerical coefficient here? 3. And this is? Yes. Numerical. Imaginary. 3 times 1. 3. Okay, susulat ito. Then what we're going to do with the variable? Same variable po ba? If yes, copy the variable. Then, anong gagawin natin sa exponent? I-add natin. Very good. May nakita po ba exponent? Wala. Meaning, meron siyang imaginary. At ganun din po ito. So, 1 plus 1. At ito na po yung product. So, the product of 3x times x is 3x squared. Question. Proceed tayo, anak, sa second term. Same procedure. Multiply first the numerical coefficient. So, we have 3 times 4? 12. Then, may variable po ba dito? Kung wala na, anong gagawin po dito? Ika-copy lang po. Okay. Then, after that, combine similar term if necessary. The question is, do we have similar terms? Yes. Okay. When do you say that the given terms are similar? Kailan natin, anak, masasabi na yung given terms ay similar? Yes, Garcia?
We have both exponent and term.
If they have the same exponent and variables, very good. Let's check if they are similar. What is the variable here?
X.
Same variable. Check natin yung exponent. What is the exponent here?
2.
And? Parehas po ba? Parehas po ba yung 2 at 1? No. Therefore, we cannot combine the given terms. Why? Because they are not similar. Hindi sila parehas na exponent. Kahit parehas, anak, yung variable, kung yung exponent ay magkaiba, hindi natin pwedeng i-plus yung numerical coefficient. So, what we're going to do? As is, iyan na po ang ating final answer. Do you understand?